Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write cursive letters D and E. So, cursive uppercase or capital letters D and E in 4-line book. Okay, let's begin. So, start from this line, somewhat slanting line, then touch to this third line, then small curve and go up and make a half curve. Okay, like this D. So repeat after me children. So D for dog, D for dog. So next, so slanting line, small curve, then go up and make a curve like this. So D for dog, slanting line, curve, touch to this line, inside like this. D for doll, again slanting line, so then like this. D for doll. So next, slanting line, curve like this. So D for duck, D for duck. Okay, like this. Then D for drum, D for drum, slanting line, small curve, then come this side. Okay, so D for doll, D for duck, D for drum. Okay, so like this we have to write the cursive letter, uppercase letter D. Okay, next I will show you how to write the cursive letter E. Okay, start from this line. So small curve from this second line, touch to this second line, again it's like this, and don't touch to this slipping line. Okay, see E. So how write E? Like this. So like this. Okay, E. This is a cursive capital letter, uppercase letter E. Okay, E for elephant, E for elephant, E for egg. Okay, E for egg, E for eat, E for eat, E for ear, E for ear, E for elephant. Okay, so like this we have to practice the cursive letters D and E. Okay, thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.